I got a 2005 Lexus LS430. This guy says his driver's side door lock doesn't work. So I told him he probably needs a lock actuator or a switch, and he's like, yeah, I know what it is. It's a lock actuator, so I'll get one. And dropped off the keys and said it's in the passenger seat. And what do I get? Some $4 motor piece of crap. I went and looked up at lock actuators for this, and the only one I could find used was $400 for this piece of crap. So I guess this is what people are doing. They're replacing this motor. So I'm going to do it. Getting this door panel off, pretty much all I think I'm going to need is like a pick and a regular screwdriver and maybe a little wedgie thing. Try to get this off first. Yeah, that just pops right out. This comes off somehow. The Phillips screw here. Phillips screw here. The Phillips screw here. There's some hiding down here under this piece of rubber. I think that's all of them. Feels like there's another one somewhere. Here it is. Ooh, nice. What's that nut for? Okay, now I got some wires I got to deal with. Looks like these cables just pop right out. Just like that. And then I got some junk over here. One more wire for something. And then this thing is gotta pop out. There. Door panels. Ooh, here's one more wire. Right here for the light. I might take that apart, take that bulb off. Uh-oh, I gotta roll up the window. There's a clip on the lock I gotta get out. Goes like that. There. See where that is? There's a plug and a wire in here I gotta get out too, it looks like. And unplug this somehow. Got a T30 Torx right here I'm gonna take out. That looks like it's for something. There's a connector down here for the actuator. I'm gonna unplug that. These are T30 Torxes too. Got 10mm gotta come out too. Ooh, I'll take this 10mm out too. Looks like there's another one right here. Maybe I gotta. There's a little tab right here that's holding it in too. Okay, I'll see. I got this window rail unbolted because it's in the way. So I don't know. It doesn't look like it wants to come all the way out. So I'm just gonna kind of fold it up there and get this thing out of here. There. What the heckin' mess. There's my fun mess to play with. Okay, you're probably well aware that I don't know what I'm doing. So let's see where this takes me. From what I can see, that's where the motor is. It's inside there. So I'm gonna keep digging until I find it. Little tab right here. This is spook. Oh God, I'm not liking this at all. Okay. Put that over there like that. And apparently this thing comes apart somehow. Right. Well, I hope this fixes it for the guy. Oh my gosh. I guess it just goes right in there. Just like that. There's two pins right here. Thinking they gotta fall into there. Like that. And then I'll just kind of hope this goes right back on here like the way I took it off. Put this cable back on. And this thing goes back on. And what now? Oh my God, this is spooky shit. What the heck is this frickin' thing? I hope I did something right. We'll see. That little hook right there I got on, so it's hanging up there. I'm going to start one screw just to make sure this thing doesn't fall down on me. Okay, now I got this wire that's going all kinds of weird, funky places. It's got to go around this window track somehow. See that piece of fun? I had to get this wire to go. It's got to go down, clip into here, and it's got to go around this rail and around this lock bar, and then I can put this back in this groove like that. Stick this back in this hole like that. This isn't focusing very good, but I don't care. There, now it's focusing. Okay, I'm going to put this on. That's in. Okay, super fun. Okay, now I can push this track bar up, line these holes up. Okay, I'm making sure I can open that door just in case anything bad happens. Lock. Unlock. Oh yeah. Lock. Unlock. Well, that's it. There's my amazing story. How do you like me now?